The food and beverage industry is no stranger to enzymes. Enzymes have applications in everything from accelerating production to improving the taste and quality of end products. But did you know that enzymes can also contribute to more strategic CIP operations? Enzymatic cleaners protect food safety while also reducing or eliminating the costly side effects of traditional caustic cleaners. Their targeted approach to removing soils causes less damage to equipment over time. And their lower pH and sodium levels make for easier rinsing and simplified effluent treatment, which means lowering costs and improving sustainability. Once introduced into a CIP environment, enzymes recognize and attack protein deposits left behind by manufacturing processes. By binding to soil compounds and degrading them, enzymes break down complex soils, making it easier to simply flush them out. And once this process is complete, enzymes continue their work, attaching to new compounds until all soils have been appropriately broken down. The result is a precise clean without the damaging effects of traditional caustic cleaners. Simply put, enzymes are redefining the standard of what's possible in CIP and helping food and beverage manufacturers unlock the next generation of clean. Interested in learning more? Visit ecolab.com.